Today we're about to fix the Miata because the open headers. I'm gonna let him drive my car because he thinks I should have bought a Miata. We're at O'Reilly's looking for the nuts. We're not really seeing any nuts besides the lug nuts. We found the bolts. Let me see. Look. We found the bolts. Those in the exhaust section. Jacked up the car. And now we're just trying to fit these nuts. There. Looking pretty good. And look at that gap on that exhaust. Watch out. How did I know we were gonna have trouble on the third stud of this exhaust? Because we cannot reach it right now, apparently. We can only reach it from under. So you're hand tightening it right now?
Trying to make it as tight as I can.
Definitely gonna fall off again. Can you see it?
No.
You just
doing it.
Just doing it. You can't even see it. Look, the first two nuts are on.
You can't see it. I can see it.
Here, point out the first two nuts.
One
so there's the first one.
Part, the other shiny one.
And then that's the second one.
And the one.
And then there's one in the back that we're getting right now.
Can't see it right now.
Alright, so we just finished bolting up the exhaust. Now we're putting these wheels back on. Oh, dude, look. Oh, God. Oh, damn, what the fuck is that? Oh, my God. Look at this guy was just chilling in his wheel. Is he dead? He's not moving. Oh, he's dead. Oh, he's flying away. That was disgusting. And now we're gonna drive around. Possibly go to the Sears or something because we're looking to buy. Unlock the door. We're looking to buy maybe some tools, possibly a welder. Probably not today though. We're just gonna go look, and we're gonna see how this exhaust sounds, how it sounds when it's fixed. All right, the Miata is sounding normal again. Check it out. Quick pull. Get a brake for your neck. Headrest go higher. Oh man. Oh. Jesus Christ. It's actually after fire. That's what it's called. Backfire is the actual flame. And it's wet. It's kind of wet. And we're parked next to it. Welded DIff life.
My car's lower than his.
Alright, so my brother is thinking of a paint color to color what? Your trunk? Inside your trunk?
Inside my trunk?
Inside his trunk. What color do you think? What color do you think he should paint it? What are you thinking?
I don't know. I might keep the gold and white look.
Maybe gold and white?
It's kind of bronze.
A bronze.
Oh man.
Maybe something like that. Or if she gets something like this. We need some recommendations.
Should I just go like this?
How about with some recommendations on this color? We just left Home Depot. That was Home Depot, right? And we looked at some welders, whatever. We might buy one hopefully soon. We're about to go Sears right now to, what are we gonna look at? More welders. And stuff, yeah. You think you can get a car alarm? And what are you doing? Oh, you gonna park wherever they park? I thought you were gonna drive around. Alright, so I guess we're just gonna park right here. And we're back on Sears, and we'll drive around the parking lot when we come back after we look at these tools. We're at Sears, and this is what we got so far. What you buying?
Look at this vacuum dump.
Vacuum for how much is that? 30 bucks.
Detailing. Dude, it's hella small.
And a micro cleaning kit. And now we're just looking at welders. We have no idea which welder to get. Alright, so there's a stick welder or wire feed welder. These are pretty cheap. Look at that. Like if we split it, it'll be like 150 bucks each.
We should get that one.
Wire feeder. 1 year warranty. 1 year warranty. We have no idea how these work. Look at this mask. This mask is sick. It opens. Put a nice Supreme sticker right there. I have no idea what to get.
Should be like 50 bucks total.
So it's like 50 bucks for a vacuum and what is that? Micro cleaning kit. We're just spending money today. We bought the vacuum and the cleaning kit for exactly 50 bucks. And this guy can't wait, so he's opening his vacuum right now.
Can't even use it.
Dude, you're just gonna look at it?
Just gonna pretend to use it.
Oh, we parked right here. And we're about to drive around the parking lot a little bit. And we're gonna watch this unboxing.
Oh dang.
Can't see, it's hella dark. Oh. Craftsman. Alright, fit perfectly. Oh. Alright. Don't have to lock it at all. Let's try to get some car alarms. We're just gonna drive around. I'm gonna break this guy's neck for surely. Broke that guy's neck. And you can just hear the welded diff. Oh, I heard a small car alarm. Welded diff.
Hella loud.
Oh god.
That sounds horrible, dude.
Welded diff, welded diff. Just chirping away.
Hella loud.
That's so loud. Everybody was just looking. Oh, chirping away again. God damn. My neck.
Oh, you hear that?
Is that a car alarm?
Car alarm went off. Hella far though.
If it was my car, there would be at least one car alarm that went off. No car alarms yet. Maybe one that was kind of far, but it was kind of quiet.
It's hella far.
Oh my god. God damn. Right next to the police station. God damn, dude. It's just chirping away. Welded diff. The welded diff life. Everybody just looks at us with disgust. We're gonna try to fix the stud. And he's playing with this new vacuum. And we're just jacking up the car. Gonna try to put the stud on. So we just took off the wheel. Boom. I really want to sand all of this, but now we just have to take off the caliper. Now we just have to take off the caliper.
Straight on it, I'm gonna step on it.
Is it?
hold it straight so it doesn't strip.
So we're trying to get these two. There's two big ass bolts. We gotta take off the caliper,
It's like these things.
and then somehow take off this plate. Figure it out. And these. Oh look, made in Japan. I never knew. XLG. Gas shock absorber KYB. Made in Japan. Did not know I had that set up. It's still ass though.
Through there?
Alright, yeah. So we just took off the caliper right here. Oh god. Almost dropped it. And now we just have to slide this out, slide it out. Boom, he scratched. Is it heavy? It's probably warped. Oh god, it's hella heavy. Oh yeah. Will it fit? Let's see. Oh yeah. This is when a slide hammer comes in use.
I think it's fine. You just put the wheel on, right? Slide it up.
Let's tighten it hella.
No. We put that. Let's put that on and then tighten this.
Alright. Okay, this shit's heavy.
Don't hit that back in. I think it's the other way. See?
This way?
Yeah. That's how I took it off.
Wait. Okay.
Just put the wheel on.
Alright, we just gotta put this caliper back on.
Caliper.
Those two calipers. Those two bolts. And then this is still loose. But we plan to put the wheel on. And then tighten it hella hard so that it'll pop, not pop, but it'll sink in place. That was pretty easy, honestly. I did not know it was gonna be that easy. And these shocks are from Japan, but they suck. And that's not even lined up. The spring's supposed to be right here. We put the wheel back on, and this is the bolt with the new stud. We barely like bit it, and we just gotta tighten it hella. We're just gonna put a lug nut on this because I didn't have another lug that matches these, which is that one. So that thing's hurt. So we're just gotta tighten this one hella tight, just so it could lock on. And we're gonna make all of them tight, but this one especially. So we got it back on. This lock nut looks hella ugly, and it's pretty solid. Alright, we're gonna bring the car down and everything. Just looking at all the tires we have, and out of all of these, those two are mine, and the rest is for the Miata. What's up, dude? What's up, buddy? What's up? Let's see what's up. Spin. Why are you so excited? Go, spin. Alright.